VM16 electric bike assembly tutorial. Parts included: head cover, mudguard, pedals, tools, kickstand, safety lock, phone holder, charger, kickstand installation. Align the kickstand holes with the frame. Tighten the 2 screws. Handlebar installation. Unscrew the 4 screws and U-shaped clamp from the frame. Note: keep the screws matched to their original holes, do not mix them up. Place the handlebar onto the frame. Align the U-shaped clamp with the mounting holes. Tighten the 4 screws one by one. Make sure all screws are fully tightened. Headlight installation. Remove the screws and nuts from the headlight. Insert the screws through the mounting holes on the front. Reattach the nuts. Use a tool to secure and tighten them. Mudguard installation. Remove the 3 screws from the mudguard mounting holes. Install the mudguard. Tighten the 3 screws one by one with a tool. Wheel installation. Use a tool to unscrew and remove the wheel axle. When installing the tire, make sure the brake clip engages the brake disc. Align the wheel with the mounting holes. Reinsert the wheel axle through the tire. Check that it is fully engaged. Tighten the wheel axle with a tool. Finally, fully tighten the 2 screws on the top sides. Pedal installation. Install the L pedal on the left side. Tighten and secure it with a tool. Install the R pedal on the right side. Tighten and secure it with a tool. Head cover installation. Place the head cover onto the front. Thread the zip ties through the cover slots. Tighten all 4 zip ties. VM16 electric bike assembly complete. Thank you for watching.